guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to skip TikTok videos you don't like, or skip the time and and move the time in your TikTok videos in a large videos with a long duration. So the first step is go to TikTok, and here in TikTok you need to, for example, pick here, and how you can see in this video, you got a bar where you can, move the time, manipulate the time of the video, like put that video in the middle, in the beginning, or in the final of the video, in the end of the video. So some videos don't have that bar because they are too short to manipulate that. So this is the option, but how you can see, you got this bar, and you can manipulate that time of the video. You can skip the time, the part what you don't like in the video. So this is a process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.